Queeny, me not go telling a lie, no disrespect my baby. But you and Shay Careless on the same level. Honestly, wanna Careless on the same level. Me don't know how you can be Shay wife or husband. I don't know how it go. You understand me? And Shay have dirt for everybody. You guys go look at Queeny, if you're in your feelings, I don't give a rat's ass if you are in your feelings. Cause number one, me don't know you from nowhere, you don't know me from nowhere. And you walk and eat everybody. Remember, I only eat me first. Oh, remember, I only eat me first. And it's just the truth for sure. Una have Queeny, una have dirty heart. Una have dirty ways. It's true. Una like when people tell una the truth. Una quickly jump up and want people defend una. And you know Shay is a liar. You know Shay lie. Shay lie non-stop. You know Shay is a liar. You know that I could attack Shay for telling me that, oh, and some gunman them I send out it and threat and blah blah blah. You know when Shay stopped talking that is when I came on my program and I took and I said, Shay, come here. Or is you alone hear that about the boy them? Queeny, you know say Shay is a liar. And that is one of the things when I don't like people draw me in a people argument. You know how long I could have kick off on that? You know how long I could have kick off on that? So when I see Shay sitting and talk about, oh my God, Jesus, I know Shay is a liar. And Queeny, you is just as liar, Shay. And I saw the two in the house and the two made for each other for true. The level of wickedness and witchcraft. It's just the truth. So when you go talk, correct Shay, you can't open your mouth and say anything. I could have kick off with Shay right from this, you know. But I say no, it's not even worth it because the internet, this the internet, it's not even worth it. Because you don't do that. You don't do things like that. What? And the same thing Jaden come back and say, you tell him so. So that is why I said, Shay, why are you alone always hear the things them to come forth and say it? You see, we're Queeny now only accountable now. Alright. Me not have no secret for Shay. Me not have no secret for Shay. These are the stuff I've been talking about. That is why I not say nothing, Shay. Don't draw me in your mix up. But when I want me sit down every day and kiki kaka, me not lie, me like Shay. Me like you of course, but right or wrong. And I spoke to you about this several times. And Queeny sit down in the background with a teaching certificate. You understand me? And don't even say to you, say, remember me, you know, there, Shay. A Queeny should have tell you all of them something, you know. But Queeny ain't doing shit. All she's sitting there back on the pan, you want no say, you chat too much. And it's just the truth, you chat too much. With all due respect, Queeny, you chat too much. Help your woman. She have picnic, you don't have nothing. She just advertise her big boy. Only for soon you drag her up on the app. It doesn't matter about who cares, Queeny, it is just the truth. The truth is the truth. At the end of the day, the child of a growing youth. And she might act a particular way because she hurt. You did it as her backbone. You back her up. Babes, I'm gone. Find somewhere go. And all you can say is who cares. That's all you can say is who cares. It simply means say you're just as careless as Shay. And not Shay alone careless. You careless too. It hot when you not when your partner can't tell you the truth. If me ever careless boy sit with me right here, so right now, him gonna say to me, say, yo, done that man, and him careless. And you have the certificate of the who's and ass behind the lady. It's you of the who's and ass. You sit down every day and watch them and drag your woman, and it don't hurt you. That is the problem. It don't hurt you. Jaden have nothing for lose. Shay got a family. You don't have a family. Shay is your only family. Protect her. You don't want to hear this. And then when you're done, you come from the upper, you cuss people and tell people, oh, you qualify. Eh? And you don't want to hear these things. You think if you not support Shay and nastiness, you're not going to take it? You think Shay are going to do a nastiness and tell us that babes do not support me? No one knows you not even do life on the app, and you have everybody in an argument. Every month, Shay and somebody in an argument, and them dry you in it because you're there in the back of the pan. You know them long. And all they can say is who cares. Take accountability. And this is the reason why the internet are dragging like that. Because who cares? Who cares? At the end of the day, she has a family. She has something to live for when she get old. She might not conscious now, but she's going to be later on. You understand me? What life una live? If you can support Shane and nastiness like this, and you enjoy the fact that people are dry like this, it simply means you not live good in the house, Queeny. Me glad you come. It simply means you not living good in the house. You can't convince the net say, una live good. Una not live good. If me and my man I live good, me can't do certain things in front of him. Me can't even talk certain way. Me can't even run certain joke because respect due. Who respect who? None of us, we not see no respect in the relationship. And that is just the truth, Sister Queeny, Brother Queeny. Me not know where your name. It's just the truth. No disrespect. But if you want to take it as disrespect, so be it, Queeny. Because you're just as careless as Shay. You're just as careless as Shay. Me talk to Shay already. Be careful how you cuss certain people when you and them at it, because you're gonna look like you're gonna look like you're ungrateful. And that's how Shay look. Shay look like a big, dirty, stinking, ungrateful, good for nothing. It's true. That's how she look. And I spoke to her about this. But you say, you Queeny, you could have helped her. You could have helped, but no, you sit down there, a chair around. Then you think she not gonna take the chair? You think she not gonna take the chair? Me don't know how you find it fitting for not do life and sit down obedience in one corner like you're under punishment. Eh? Like you're under punishment. It don't look good. If you're a woman and you love her, remember her family. You don't have nothing to live for. You don't have nobody ashamed with your attitude. She does. Let me say this. You were gaining a lot of respect from the app, Queeny. But now you come back, come sit down behind her and cheer her, and you think that look good? Before you even argue, I just ask me and ask you. When I really I go say to people, these are the stuff me I tell you about, but you not listen, you not hear, you not like when people talk the truth. Everybody who Shay draw close to Queeny, she and them kick off in the worst way. And you have not said to your woman, say, babes, make we run a year without being friends with anybody. Let me be your friend. Anything you have to talk, let us build conversations in the background so till the audience get involved. Let us talk about relationship. Let us do something positive. Shay, tell me the truth. Queeny was a teacher. Anyway you fall short, she could have backed you up. But no, Queeny have you a leader Where is a teacher's certificate? Why Queeny have you a teacher, Shay? Where is your certificate, Shay, for you to be teaching Queeny? These are the stuff me I ask Queeny. Me not cuss your Queen. Because the world expect me to go down Emmanuel Road. Me not cuss you. Me just ask you. Me just ask you. Can remember Uno have a cattle and 1,000 hills and life are going for Uno, but Uno live on the app like crazy in a pure bangarang. Yeah? So me go a foreign Uno there, you know? And Uno torment. So me want know. Them can't see my pick side. They cannot see my pick side. They cannot see my pick side. Nobody can see my pick side because Shay and Jaden don't affect me in no way, shape or form. Shay and Jaden, they are internet buddies. After gigabytes done, I don't remember any of them. Me not tell you that. After gigabytes, after me turn off this, I gone back to the real world. This is make believe. So them can't see my pick side. Me not jabas, cause no side no there for pick. The two of them are nastiness. The two of them are nastiness. Shay have a union and a family to uphold and respect. Jaden have no life. Jaden has no life. You understand me? So what kind of side in this to pick? After me no nasty. After me no nasty. The fact of the matter is why it sound like me I talk down to Shay. It's because when Shay came to Jamaica, she has been advertising Jaden as her brother long before she came to Jamaica. And